In this tutorial, I will show you how to create digital products in Canva. First, open Canva and click Create a Design. Then search for ebook and choose a suitable format like educational book. Once your design opens, you can either start from a blank canvas or pick a template to save time. Choose a template that matches your idea, then go through all the pages and understand the layout. Now start customizing everything. Change the text with your own content, adjust fonts, colors, and replace images to make it unique. Make sure your design reflects your own style, especially if you plan to sell the product. You can add more pages, duplicate layouts, or rearrange sections to build your full digital product. Take your time to refine the design so it looks clean and professional. Once you are done, click Share, then Download and choose PDF format. Your digital product is now ready to sell, share, or use anywhere. That is how you create digital products in Canva.